Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix an issue with your payment method, update your payment information to correct problem and try again. So guys, start with wasting any time. If you're facing the error like this after putting your payment method, then I'll show you how can you fix this issue. First of all, guys, you have to close this page. Now after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. Now after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that you have to go back from here and open settings. Once you have done this, you have to tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to go to subscription and make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, just simply paid for them or remove it. And you have to go to payment and shipping option. Like I'm going to tap on payment and shipping option. So from here, guys, you have to remove your payment method and try to enter it again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again. Now from here, guys, what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that your date and time is correct. And from here you have to go to language and region option. From here you have to select your region in which your debit or credit card is made. Okay guys, just simply have to select the same region, and after that you have to go back and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do, guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone. Like I'm opening Safari browser here, and just simply you have to search for Apple Sport. Once you search for this, just simply have to tap on first one. Now from here, guys, what you need to do is just simply have to select your gadget. Like this, I'm going to select my gadget. Now scroll it down all the way and just simply select the second last option, tap on start now. Wait some second from here, guys, and after that you have to tap on more option. Now from here, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on App Store. Here it is, guys. And after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on continue. Now from here, guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and tap on call us. Now from here, guys, you have to call the Apple Support team and tell the problem. So after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to setting, tap on your Apple ID. Now from here, guys, you have to go to media and purchases, then tap on view account. And after that, you can see country origin option, and just simply you have to change the country, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.